Hey, Daniel Parsons is really excited to be sharing this announcement on the 18th of December, 2025, 1 week before many people celebrate Christmas in the world. So, down in southern Chile, spending time with my wife's family, and I'm still doing business because everybody needs to make a living. And so I've been in the wellness field since 2005. I had a long conversation with a entrepreneur that is launching a wellness nutraceutical products company, and you will be able to start signing up if you want to be a free affiliate. This company has ironed out all the things that distract people from being able to create long term, steady residual income. There's no fees. There's no monthly website fees. There's no auto ships required. You make money just sharing the products with people. The products are very effective. So, using some of the products, you'll naturally will want to gravitate towards that, but it's not required. Okay. You can sign up, you'll create your affiliate username, and then you can start promoting from day one. You make 20% on the dollar volume of everything that you sell. Okay, you can sign up businesses, you can sign up other affiliates, or you can sign up customers. You'll earn 10% on what your affiliates that you sign up produce in their volume. And the company pays out 43% back into the field on every single dollar that is a commission product. Okay, so I want to give you one of the real incentives that I see in this opportunity is when you order 12 bottles of one product in one calendar month, the software automatically gives you a wholesale price of 50% off. Okay. So I'm going to go on screen share and I'm going to give you some math right here and show you this incredible opportunity, because this is going to make the marketing industry a different place. Okay. So I'm sharing with you here the Slim NRG weight loss management. And the owner of the company, in a discussion with me yesterday, said that this is the equivalent amount of caffeine as you find in a cup of coffee. Now, I personally don't take any caffeine. However, I feel like there's such a obesity problem in our world today. Folks, even down here in Chile, where you never used to see overweight people, younger people are getting on sodas and sugar sodas and things like that. And there are people walking around down here in South America overweight. And so it's a real problem in the United States. So I plan on doing this. I currently use only one product in the morning that does have a little bit of caffeine in it. I'm going to get off of that and go on this product because I want to be able to share the results that I get. I'm not going to take the early afternoon capsule, just because I'm very sensitive and I want to be able to sleep with no problems. Many people don't have any problem whatsoever with caffeine. But like I said, the owner told me that one veggie capsule has the equivalent amount of caffeine as somebody would take in one cup of coffee. Okay, so let me give you the business side of this. This product right here sells for a 30-day supply at $39.95. So let's round that to 40 for easy math. Okay. You add in 40 of these, not 40, 12 bottles. Anytime you order 12 bottles of product in the month, the software will automatically give you a 50% reduction to give you a wholesale price on this product. Okay. So now your cost is 240 rounded up. Okay. So you go out and you sell this product at $40, you pocket the extra 20. Okay. So right there, you can turn $240 by just in 1 month's time selling 12 bottles of this. This product is going to fly out of the warehouse. It's a US warehouse. It's going to fly out of there in January. And sales, people can start ordering this on the 3rd of January. Okay. So I'm going to go to the next product and, oops, sorry. I've gotten back to when I was in Switzerland. All right, the Slim Detox. Okay, this product right here is $35 for a 30-day supply. Okay, and this detox is very powerful ingredients right there. You can stop the video and look at all the ingredients. I am going to be putting up blog posts on itsbetterfood.com when I get time. So I'll put all 3 of these products, and the first 90 days of this company will be these 3 products that I'm showing you now. So the same thing, you would be able to get this at $35. And so if you order 12 bottles of this, let's do the math real quick. That's $350 plus 70. So you're looking at $420. Okay. And if you add 12 bottles, you would get that at $210. You go out and you collect 420 and you pocket the 210. So do the math, 50% wholesale anytime you order 12 bottles. Okay. Now this also applies to your affiliates that are out there doing the business. Let's say mom and pop shops, wellness businesses that are marketing several different brands of product. You would be able to earn 10% on everything that affiliate business is doing every single month that they are with you. Okay, so last product I'm going to share with you is the NutriBlast. Now, I believe this is going to be the foundation because this is going to provide daily nutritional drink. You just add 1 scoop, which is 5.4 grams, into 8 ounces of water or your favorite hot or cold recipe. Okay. And then you have got a powerhouse. And once again, for the ingredients, I will put it on my blog post, but you can stop the video right now and read those ingredients. So this is absolutely going to be a powerful, powerful product. I know that I'm going to bring it a little closer. So you've got organic moringa leaf powder, and people know the health benefits of that moringa leaf. You've got wheatgrass hull powder. You've got organic red beet, organic inulin, organic spinach powder. And that red beet, it's a root powder also. So organic broccoli powder or powder, organic barley grass juice powder, organic spirulina. This is powerful. Wow. So this is going to be foundational. Now, this is a $90 product. He has sourced some really powerful nutrients. Okay. So once again, you put in 12, you don't even have to put in 12 bottles of this, here's the thing you do. I would order 12 bottles of the weight loss product, and then you'll be able to get this at $45. So this is going to be powerful. I'm going to go ahead and come back off a screen share. And I have well, actually, let me go and share with you how you can reach me on my Telegram. Okay, right here is Team Nutra. Okay, my phone number is area code 1. I'm sorry, country code's 1 for US, 360-383-0265. So I've created this Team Nutra Telegram room, and it is going to have every single little resource that you need. So let me go off of screen sharing here and share with you that this is going to be exciting. There's no barriers to income here. There's no balancing binary legs. There's no multi-level marketing involved. There's no network marketing involved. Those are wonderful industries. I've made my living in those industries for quite a long time. However, I believe that this is the new model right here. This is so simple. A 7th grade student, I can tell them in 2 minutes about earn 20% on every single customer order. And then every affiliate that you sign up, you'll earn 20% on what they order. And then you'll earn 10% on everything that their people that join them order. And then there's bonus pools, but that's getting a little too deep for this video. This is like an introductory video for you. So that's it for this update. I appreciate your time and interest. You can always reach me. I'm going to create Daniel at itsbetterfood.com email address, and you can write me there, Daniel at itsbetterfood.com. That's itsbetterfood.com. Bye for now.